Hello everybody. I love the way this little box turned out. That's a picture right there that I painted over, so this will be the back. And I'm going to put this little rice paper in here. I'm going to decoupage it in there. And I'm going to go up on the sides with the glue because I'm going to use wax on the outside. So. It's pretty thick glue. I didn't add much water to that. And the glue and water mixture is about half and half. I think I may have it a little on the thick side, but it'll be alright. I think this is going to look so pretty. Okay. I had to water my glue down a little more to go over the top of this. Okay, I gotta center it best I can. Let's see. And one thing I like about the rice paper, or well, the ones I've used so far, you can move them without them ripping. They're not delicate like tissue paper. Okay, I gotta pull it down just a little bit. I mean, you can tear them, but it's just less likely. This would be easier if it went down in a hole, I believe. Okay, I think that looks fairly even. I'll push one side down in case I have to get my hand under it. Even enough. So, my overly watered glue. I might need to push it out with my finger. I was just going to use the brush, but it might not be firm enough. Make sure there's no bubbles. Yeah, this frame is just adorable. And I think I gave $1/4 for it. With that ugly picture on the other side that I painted over. Okay, let me just, there we go. Couldn't get enough on there. Okay, something either came off the brush or the picture. Huh, looks like part of the green off the picture. Yeah, I better not go over it anymore. I ordered from different companies, and apparently they're made out of different things. If I'd have kept brushing, the whole picture would have come off. So, yeah. Don't want to order from them anymore. But anyway, I wonder if I need to, you know, this might not be rice paper. It may just be, I'll have to look it up. And this is where the hanger was on the back. And I was going to plug it and all that, and I thought, no, it just gives it a little more character. Okay. I changed my mind about using wax on it. If you've watched my videos, you've seen this. It's a glaze with some paint in it. And I'm just going to probably leave a little. I like it kind of white looking, but it's a little too white. So we're going to age it a little bit. Yeah, it don't have much paint in it at all. Not too much off. Get this down in those cracks and then kind of wipe it off. I think I pressed down a little too hard. I wiped about all of it off. It's aging a little bit. A little bit extra off of the center parts. Okay, now we'll do these edges. Just gonna add a little more on these corners with what's left on the brush. Just some random little spots. I'm gonna try to edge it a little bit down in there, just in the corners. Let's see, you can see this corner. Alright, and there she is, and I will put a hanger on her, and that'll be good, and then I'll put her in my booth. But thanks for watching, and please hit the like button, and I hope you'll subscribe. Bye, y'all.